Man said to be of unsound mind, mobbed over fatal stabbing of man in Trelawny. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man said to be of unsound mind was on Friday afternoon mobbed and beaten by irate resident of Hague Settlement in Trelawny over the stabbing death of a man in the community. Dead is 56-year-old Mason Leroy McIntosh. It is reported that McIntosh was stabbed during an altercation with the 34-year-old man said to be mentally challenged. Following the incident, he was attacked by residents and sustained injuries. He was taken to the Falmouth General Hospital where he is receiving treatment. The police has since commenced an investigation. It's further reported that during the incident where Mr. McIntosh was stabbed, the mentally ill man also attacked 4 other persons. Mr. Colonel Peart and Mr. Cashman Rose were treated and sent home from hospital. Mr. Denton Lewis has been hospitalized with stab wounds. However, regrettably, Mr. Leroy McIntosh succumbed to his injuries. Mental illness is a condition which causes serious disorder in person's behavior or thinking. It is very unfortunate that this incident has happened, which has resulted in the first murder in the division and extended in the parish of Trelawny since the start of the year. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.